We are writing a Python program to calculate the duration of the year on planet. So first of all, we have to import the constant pi from the math module. To do that, which has been done, then the radius has to be input. Then orbital speed also has to be inputted. Then we have to also convert to floats, convert the numbers to floating. Then we need to initialize the millions of kilometers into just kilometers. Translate the millions of kilometers. We have done that. Then the years expressed in seconds. The length of the circumference is being, it has to be done, has been done, and that is the orbit, and is divided by the speeds. We have to divide the orbit by the speeds and translate the second into days units. Then to divide by 60 and get the minutes, then divide by 60, then get the hours, then divide by 24, get the days. So I have to put it down here. So I have to then print the year, round it off. So let's try to run it and see what is going to be the results.
Next person.
Radius of the orbit. Radius of the orbit. Close the bracket. Let's run it and see what is going to be. Radius of the orbit to be 150. Then the speeds in kilometer per second to be 30. The days will be 364. So that's a simple way on how to calculate. Thanks.